Welcome to this tutorial where we'll explore how to extract and list only whole numbers from a set of decimal numbers in Microsoft Excel. In this video, we'll walk through the process step by step using two effective methods. Let's dive in. Let's see the first method in this tutorial on how to extract and list only whole numbers from a set of decimal numbers in Microsoft Excel. Using a straightforward formula, we'll achieve this goal efficiently. To start, open the Excel worksheet containing the decimal numbers from which you want to extract the whole numbers. In a nearby cell, enter the formula equals int a2 equals a2 to extract the whole number portion from each decimal number. This formula checks if the integer part of the number is equal to the original number, effectively filtering out decimals. After applying the formula to the first cell, you can filter the column for true to display only the rows where the formula is satisfied. This will give you a list of whole numbers corresponding to each decimal number in the original column. Now, let's explore the second method using the if and mod formula to achieve our goal. In a new column, enter the formula equals if mod a1 1 less than greater than 0 0 a1. This formula checks if the remainder of dividing the decimal number by 1 is not equal to 0. If the remainder is not 0, it returns 0, otherwise, it returns the original number. This effectively filters out decimal numbers. And there you have it. Two effective methods to list only the whole numbers from decimal numbers in Excel. Choose the method that fits your workflow best and streamline your data manipulation tasks. Thanks for watching.